Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 7X. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable App Drawer. As you can see right now, App Drawer is disabled. To enable it, go to Settings, enter Home Screen Style and select Drawer. Now App Drawer will be enabled. To disable it, again go to Settings, Home Screen Style and select Standard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.